My name is Raisa Zaranur Fadila. I'm a student at Muhammadiyah University of Tasikmalaya, Faculty of Health Science, Associate Degree in Nursing. First of all, I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude at work. Today, allow me to present my assignment, the use of guava leaf infusion to reduce diarrhea. Now, I'd like to introduce the point I will be discussing. The first is the definition of diarrhea. The second is causes of diarrhea. Next, impact of diarrhea. Definition of guava leaf infusion. Mechanism of action. Effectiveness of guava leaf infusion. Method of use. SOP preparation and administration. Safety consideration. And last, conclusion. The first, let me guide to you to the main topic we are going to discuss, which is diarrhea and its management using herbal therapy. Let me start with the first point, which is the definition of diarrhea. Diarrhea is gastrointestinal condition characterized by frequent loose or watery stool occurring 3 or more times per day. It is often accompanied by dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Moving to the next point, the causes of diarrhea include infections such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites, as well as poor hygiene, food contamination, and side effect of medication. Now, let's move on the impact of diarrhea. If not treated properly, diarrhea can lead to dehydration, malnutrition, and in several cases, even death, especially in children. To further develop this topic, we need to understand an alternative treatment, which is guava leaf infusion. Guava leaf infusion is a traditional herbal preparation made by boiling guava leaves, and it has been widely used to treat diarrhea naturally. Before discussing how to use it, let me first explain the mechanism of action. Guava leaves contain important compounds such as tannins, flavonoids, and saponins, which help reduce intestinal secretion, inhibit bacteria, and decrease intestinal movement. At this point, I would like to focus on its effectiveness. Studies how that guava leaf infusion can reduce the frequency of diarrhea and inhibit growth of bacteria such as E. coli and Shigella. However, it is important to highlight that diarrhea is still a serious health problem, especially if it causes severe dehydration. Therefore, herbal treatment alone is not enough without proper hydration therapy. Based on several studies and scientific concepts, guava leaf have antibacterial and antisecretory properties. Research has shown that this herbal remedy works effectively as a complementary therapy, but it should not replace medical treatment, especially in severe cases. Now, let me explain the procedure for preparation and administration. First, wash 5 to 7 guava leaves, then boil them in 2 cups of water for about 10 to 50 minutes until it reduces to 1 cup. After that, strain and let it cool. For administration, the last patient can drink up to 1 glass 2 to 3 times a day while monitoring their conditions such as diarrhea frequency and sign of dehydration. It is also important to pay attention to safety consideration. This therapy is not recommended for infants without medical supervision and should be used carefully in pregnant women. Its conclusion, guava leaf infusion is an effective complementary treatment for diarrhea due to its antibacterial properties. However, it should always be combined with proper hydration and medical care when necessary. Thank you for attention, and let me finish there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.